What's up, YouTube? What's up, SBM gang? I'm back with another video, and it's really no shade. So today I said, let me do something different. I'm not doing wigs today. I'm doing clip-in. So shout out to Asteria hair for sending me the clip-in bust down. I went in and I washed my girl Lavea's hair. Her hair's been in braids because we've been doing wigs back to back. So her scalp was really full of dandruff. So I had to go in with my new Ashley Marie collection. Shout out to Ashley Marie. Shout out to Boho. I will put the link in the description for these products. And that's no shade. But yes, I used the clarifying shampoo, I used the moisturizing shampoo, and I used the hydrating conditioner. And it really cleaned my girl hair. Her hair was so dirty, y'all. But I knew I was doing the silk press, and I was like, dirty hair do not straighten good. So I really went in and I cleaned this hair boots. Like, if only y'all could see how much dandruff was on my floor when I combed out her hair. Like, it was crazy. But have no fear, Ashley Marie collection is here. I love these products, and y'all need to get into these. It's really no shade. After the wash, I'm going in with my, what is this, Baby Bliss blow drying brush. I don't know what it's called exactly, but y'all know what this is. It's a thermal brush, and it's so good. It helps me do it faster. Honestly, if you blow dry the hair first and then go in with this, I think it gets the hair straighter. But this does blow out your hair, stretch your hair really fast compared to just using a blow dryer and a bristle brush, and you don't have to use as much tension to get the stretch. That's why I love this. It's not even a product. I love this tool, and it's no shade. Yes, look at all this big clean hair, and get into these clip-ins. Honestly, if I would have left the hair this texture, the clip-ins would have been a perfect match. But I did straighten her hair. I straightened the clip-ins. I do feel like I could have got the clip-ins a little bit straighter. Like, I underestimated the texture of these specific clip-ins. So honestly, if you have like anything under 4A, like if you're in the 3B, 3Cs, I would definitely try to get a more looser texture. But if you have like 4B, 4C hair, this texture is perfect, and that's just no shade. I'm honestly thinking about reinstalling them again, but putting, like, instead of water dyeing it, you know, like when you bleach hair and you mix it with water, I'm gonna mix relaxer with water and like water relax the clip-in so they could be a tad bit straighter. I'm gonna do that in a second video. Let me know if y'all want to see that in the comments. But yes, after I finished her silk press, I just wrapped it in a beehive because I wanted to feel like the old school ladies, and it just gave. And I love how silky this hair is. This is before I clipped her ends. She does have a lot of dead ends because, once again, her hair's been in braids for months. She never gets silk presses or trims like that. But I'm gonna try to make it a point to do all my clients, you know, wash, silk press, trims at least once every 3 months for each of my girls, because I do want their hair to be growing. Wigs will go out of style one day. Well, maybe not. But every girl gets to a point where they just want to wear their real hair. So I'm forcing these girls to get into it. Honestly, if I didn't push for this, Lavea would have never wore her hair. But it looks so good and healthy, and I love it. And we're going to do this more often. No shade. I am going in and I'm cutting all her dead ends all around her head. Honestly, some people would say I could have went higher, I could have cut more, but you know, people want their hang time. Like, everybody don't want to just be having no bob. Like, let her have her inches. Like, let us live a little bit. I cut them ends a little bit. She'll be okay. Now I'm going in trying to get a little bit more of these kinks out before I straighten it. Y'all, this hair was very textured. So if you know when you straighten it, your hair gets really straight, then I would say get a more straighter texture, because they do have different ones. But if you, like, honestly, I didn't think her hair would get this straight, and that's just no shade. Her hair got really straight, so I got, but it all came together in the end, and it was all cute, period. I just love how it doesn't take that many clip-ins for this install to look like a freaking sewing. Like, I probably put like 6 clip-ins, like three clips, 2 clips, and then I had a few single clips that I put in the front, and then I layered the hair. It looks so full like a sewing, y'all. That's the only, like, that's the main pro to having textured clip-ins, is that you really don't need to put as many in your hair because the look gets fuller faster, no shade. So I love this hair. I went and did a couple layers, and then I did my bust down curls, and it's no shade. Next time I'm doing middle part straight layers. I'm gonna make it look like a wrap, but this time we went with a side part because she already barely wears her real hair, so I didn't want to do a middle part and just have her forehead all on her face. It would have just been too much of a transition. So we started off with a side part and we did some layers, and it was cute. It was real cute. So after curling and spraying, I'm just going in doing my final touches, and that's pretty much the final look. Shout out to Asteria Hair for sending me these bust down clips. I love them. They're different. It's a different vibe. If you want to take a break from wigs, I think these are the perfect looks to do, especially if you don't like the high maintenance of tape-ins or K-tips or sew-ins. I think you should try a cute silk press and add in some clip-ins and just see what it gives for a couple days, period. This is great for when you need a break for wigs, and it's really no shade. The link to the hair, the link to get all the shampoos and conditioners that I used in this video, everything will be in my description box. Shout out to my SBM gang. Keep subscribing, keep supporting, like all my videos, y'all. Comment on the videos, share them. We trying to grow on this platform, and it's really what? No shade. Bye, y'all.